You are about to meet an incredible Max Muscle success story. Unmotivated and depressed and in desperate need of improving her physical appearance and her inner health, Dawn Thomas was able to lose 90 pounds and dropped 11% of her body fat, on her way to improving her health and winning the Max Formation Fitness Quest. Well, you don't think that's possible? Neither did Dawn at first. But after making the decision to make the necessary life changes, Dawn, with the help and support of her partner, Max Muscle, she completely changed her life and her physique. We caught up with Dawn recently to hear from her in her own words how the Max Formation Fitness Quest changed her life and what she's doing today to maintain her newly max-formed body.
You don't want to weigh yourself anymore. You know, it's embarrassing. I got up to a size 16. It was a lot of frustration because I was back and forth to the doctors trying to figure out what was going on because I had the fibromyalgia. The doctor basically asked me if I wanted to see my grandchildren grow up. My reaction was I wasn't going to die. I was going to do everything I could not to, and that's when I headed for Max Muscle because nobody else was willing to help me. I knew that with the Max Muscle supplements and the diet and the exercise that it was possible. For me, the Max Muscle lifestyle has made such a big difference because it's not like the other yo-yo diets. The fact that you set the goals, you have the products that you can use, you have the educated people at the stores that can tell you what to do and why things work the way they do. Without Max Muscle getting the body fat off, I don't know that I could ever have gotten to this point. I don't care how much weight you've gained, you can do it. If you stick by the plan, you can do it.